Hello and welcome back to another AI tool video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm daily posting new AI tools for you. So let's start the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate logo using AI tool. So just search for Brandmark.io. And here is the website Brandmark. So just enter this website and click on create my logo. So first of all, you can see the best brand names are short, so but just first log in, so that because they will later ask you, just type your brand name. I am typing AI Mastery Hub, and this is optional. If you want to add your slogan, I am adding future is AI. So after that, they will ask for your keywords. You can add multiple keywords. I am adding just artificial intelligence, and just select your color style and continue, and it is generating logos. So as you can see, it generates multiple variation of the same words we have used for our logo. So now let's select one and see what changes we can do and how we can edit. So first we can select the font and see how many fonts are available. You can choose any of these fonts. And now let's move towards slogan. You can see my slogan is future is AI. I can adjust it to the top left or keep it in the center. Also there is an option of changing the color of font, and it has multiple fonts option. You can choose any of these. And now you can see icons. We can change the icon, and there are a lot of icons. You can select any of these, and let's select some another from modern. And you can see this robot looks good. Let's select this, and now I can adjust it as per my requirement. So change its background, and here you can see there are a lot of backgrounds, or you can call them container. So let's select this one, and you can see we can also adjust that background and its layout. And the main thing is how it look like on your brands and in your mobile phone, and like your mobile app or in your laptop. This is its visualization. And now the main thing, when we try to download this, it asks for the payment. So but I am going to tell you how you can download this for free. Now just open it and just took a good screenshot and save it to your device, and go to Pixelcut.io, and here you can just try Pixelcut, and you can see here the upscaler, and upload your photo here, and just you need to upscale to 4x, and you can easily download this HD image. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe me, and hit the bell icon for daily new AI tools.